Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we are out with not one, not two, but three Traxxas slashes and a Parrot Bebop Pro 2 drone. This is going to be freaking awesome, guys. We've got a super modded Traxxas slash 4x4 with all the bells and whistles. We've got a monster slash 4x4 with a 1/8 system in and big tyres. And we've got a brand spank Traxxas slash, not a speck of dust on it for now, guys, but look, we've got some dusty tracks, so it's all going to be good. So I'm going to take some clips, stick them all together, stick them on here for you guys to see. Ow! Open the zip. Subscribe! Oh, in the flat. screw shaft gutted. Look at that. Ah, that's game. Just about to drag itself along on foot on two-wheel drive now. Or maybe not. Sounds like crud. Game over. Subscribe! So there you have it, stitched loads of footage together on the track for you. This one broke straight away, these turned out muddy. Look at that, that was brand new. Oh no! But yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. See ya!